to make photos smaller on Squarespace. This is about to help you through it. As you can see about that, what is going to be about really to be satisfying for what is going to be on. And then as you can see that is still to be about right here, so that as you can understand on what is going to be on through the progress, that it can be really satisfied for what's going on here. How to click on image block that you would like to resize, to go for here say site, and then about to go here for, so what you can do next about the corners, and enter the dimensions, custom dimension for the side images by going to the miscellaneous, and then about to be going on through here. So what it can be done is about to click here on image blocks and start to resize it from here. So what we can do is about really done it, and that is all about to